Import parts and assemblies from all major CAD formats and quickly unfold them using customized material parameters. Quickly modify punch and die tools by selecting the previewed tool from the interactive tool library. The part dimensions are updated based on the tool selections to ensure accurate flat patterns. Manually generate a desired sequence by selecting individual bends or by using the Quick Select option and highlighting the bends in the desired order. Automatically generate tool stations using the available segment lengths from the tool library. Collinear bends are automatically detected and merged for more complex bending parts. Use the sequence solver to automatically select the best sequence for a part based on user preferences for flips, turns, rotations, and more. Preview the bending sequence to verify there are no collisions before generating tool stations. Tool stations are optimized to ensure the least amount of stations are created for forming the part. Optimize programming time by using quick access buttons to step through the programming process. For more complex parts, heel tools are automatically selected to avoid collisions when generating stations. Use multi-save to generate the NC program, flat pattern DXF, and bending report simultaneously.